ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ ఆర్పి మ్యాథ్స్ ట్రిక్స్. కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ స్టార్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం కదండి. ఈరోజు వాట్ ఈస్ ద బేసిక్స్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఫర్ కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ. నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ద ఫార్ములాస్ ఫర్ కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ. సో the distance between two points of x1 comma y1 at the point of B x2 comma y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula between 2 points of A and B is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And the distance between origin 0 comma 0 at the point of A x comma y is A is equals to square root of x square plus y square. This is the one more formula. Next one is that the distance between 2 points x1 comma y1 and x1 comma y2 is parallel to y axis. Is modulus of y2 minus y1. Next one, the distance between 2 points x1 comma y1 x2 comma y1 is parallel to x axis is modulus of x2 minus x1. This is the formula for distance between the parallel to the y axis and parallel to the x axis. Next, section formula. Section formula at the point of A x1 comma y1 at the point of B x2 comma y2 is cut in the ratio m1 is to m2 or m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the formula for section formula. Okay, these all are the formulas. The distance between 2 points A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance between O0, 0 and the point of A x comma y is OA equals to square root of x square plus y square. And the distance between the 2 points x1 comma y1 and the point of x1 comma y2 is parallel to the y axis. Parallel to the y axis is modulus of y2 minus y1. The distance between 2 points x1 comma y1 at the point of x2 comma y2 is parallel to the x axis is modulus of x2 minus x1. Next, section formula. A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 is divided. The line segment is cut in the ratio of m1 is to m2 or m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Next, the midpoint of the line segment at the point of x1 comma y1 and the point of q x2 comma y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula for midpoint of PQ is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Next, the centroid of the points x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula for centroid of the triangle. The point which is the line segment 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts we have to divide in the ratio of 2:1, 1:2 ratio. And the point of now another formula, area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is half mod of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is passing through the one more formula is there. Area of the triangle is passing through the origin 0, 0 at the point of x1, y1. At the point of x2, y2 is half mod of x1, y2 minus x2, y1. This is the formula for modulus of x1, y2 minus x2, y1 is the formula for area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formula is area of the triangle formula is area of the triangle from the origin OAB is half mod of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is the formula for OAB. And now slope of the line containing the point of x1 y1 and x2 y2 is slope m represented y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula for slope of the line formula. x2 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. These all are the formulas. So formulas is the most important. That's why you have to learn the formulas. After that we have to start the exercise first 7.1. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching.